Morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we ended up with a pin bar on the daily. So this is a fairly telling scenario, and we'll get down to that on the lower time frames. Currently the trend is still up, although I think we can safely say that that trend line there, which was our uptrend line, has broken. We haven't tested the break, but it has broken. Parabolic SAR has got 2 days with where the green dots are above price, which indicates that there's potential move. I'm looking for 3 green dots, which would then indicate that this long move to the upside has come to an end. Okay, not always cast in stone, as you can see here, but I would expect a little bit more, a deeper pullback if we get another 2 days of indecision or even red bars to the downside. So let's just get to lower time frames. We can talk about what's going on here. We can see that was the trend line. Trend line broke over here, was tested. We've come back up, but there is some fairly significant levels here, and I think let's just draw them in firstly. So the first one is that previous high there, okay? And then the second one is pretty much there, but if I look to the left, you'll see it's the previous inside tail here. Okay, so that's my zone. We did break above it, we're back into the zone, and we've got an indecision bar inside the zone. Okay, so we start coming down to the lower time frames. You'll see congestion in the area, and as I said yesterday, we're expecting to come back into this box, which we did, and pretty much rallied back out of the box. Okay, now you need to have a careful look at what we see here. So first thing is shoulder, head, shoulder. So there is a potential consolidation pattern here, which could turn into a range. In other words, if we come back and test the previous highs here, it'll turn into a range, or alternatively, we could get rejection off here. The telling point is this pin bar that's just formed. So that gives me another level. A break below this pin bar gives me a move to the downside with a stop above the pin bar, and my target area is going to be pretty much this area of congestion here. Okay, now the fact that we are not really adhering to this level. Okay, this is a daily level, and you can see we dropped below it here, rallied above it. We've dropped and closed below it here again. We've got oscillator starting to move to the upside. I still suspect that this is a move to the downside that we should be expecting. So we are expecting some news from the bankers today, which is probably why people got out of their short trades. So I think it could go either way. It really depends what the Federal Reserve comes up with today. Now, looking at the hour, inside bar, grouping, diversions, I think my bias at the moment is definitely to the downside. And it's a break above the high of yesterday, which triggers a long, but a break below this area here of 26783 triggers a short with a stop above the high of yesterday. Okay, so that's my current view at the moment. I'm still looking for shorts. Bear in mind, the trend was down. We could very well have a reversal, but my rules are quite simple. Until I have a confirmation of this reversal, I trade with the trend. So still looking for shorts. If we come down and sort of bounce off this area here, or alternatively come and test the bottom to create a bigger double bottom, then I'll be more inclined to believe that we have a change in direction. But for now, trend is still down at the moment. It's been down for the last 2.5 days. And what I'm looking for is a continuation of that trend. Okay, so these are the two levels I'm watching. I'm watching 26823 for a break to the upside. Okay, I'm going to need a close on something like the half hour to indicate that. And then obviously what I'd like to see is a deeper pullback first and then a move to the upside. Okay. Alternatively, what I'm looking for is a break below 26,783, and that's going to trigger a short for me. Okay, so that's pretty much my view for today. Hope that helps, and I'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.